Hello guys, welcome to MADSTECH. This is full review video of FluidOS version 1.1 unofficial ROM for our Realme X device. If you want to flash this ROM, here is a video card for same. If you want to activate your Windows 10 with official retail key, that too in only 445 Indian rupees, here is a video card for same and the website link will be there in the description box below. I am personally using the same key, so you can trust this site. Let's go to the settings. As you can see, it is running on Android 11, FluidOS version 1.1 unofficial ROM, maintained by Icecracker, 5 January 2021 Android security patch, build date 15 Jan 2021. Basic integrity and CTS profile is true. Google Play Store is also certified. Proximity sensor is working fine while calling. As you can see, fingerprint sensor is also working fine. Double tap to lock, double tap to unlock is also working super fine. In Realme part, we get screen off gestures, ambient display, pulse pickup options. This is how always on display works. Pulse pickup is also working fine. Here we have all wallpaper options. These are all pixel wallpapers. Captured on pixel wallpapers. Pride wallpapers, Google Arts and Culture wallpapers, here we have all ambient clock options. These are grid options. These are all the widgets. Wi-Fi calling is working fine for both the SIM cards. Fluid customizations. Here we have all the customization options. We have dark mode, light mode options. These are all the accent colors. These are all available icon shapes. System theme options. font options, lock screen clock options, status bar, clock settings, status bar icons, lock screen options, fingerprint sensor animation option. Wow, it looks really awesome. So we really have limited set of options in this ROM, but all the available options are working super fine. You don't face any bug or issue in this ROM. I'm using this ROM from past 15 days and didn't face any major issue. Here we have 3 system navigation options which are working fine. We also have face unlock option. It is working as expected. We have swipe up to face unlock option in settings. So I can surely recommend this ROM to anyone who want Android 11 stable ROM. You can't go wrong with this ROM. You can use this ROM as a daily driver without any issues. If you want to know the gaming performance of this ROM, here is a video card for same. I will recommend Nikita Gcam version 1.6 camera app. Link will be there in the description box below. Let's have a look at some camera samples here, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at mandardhula. Let's have a look at the battery performance of this ROM. 7 hours of screen on time without battery saver mode on. 18 hours 13 minutes of phone ideal time. So battery backup is really awesome in this ROM. So you can surely try this ROM on your device, and please let me know in the comment section below if you like this ROM or not. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified. Thank you guys for watching this video.